Agapay versus Palang, GR number 11668, July 28, 1997. Miguel Palang contracted his first marriage on July 16, 1949 with a private respondent Carlina Ballesteros at the Pozorobio Roman Catholic Church in Pangasinan. In October 1949, Miguel left to work in Hawaii, and few months later Carlina gave birth to their only daughter, Herminia Palang. In 1972, Miguel returned for good in the Philippines, but refused to live with his wife and daughter, and stayed alone in a house in Pozorobio, Pangasinan. In July 15, 1973, the 63-year-old Miguel contracted his second marriage with Erlinda Agapay, petitioner, who is only 19 years old. But prior to the marriage of Miguel and Erlinda, as evidenced by the deed of sale, they jointly purchased a parcel of agricultural land located at San Felipe, Binalonan, Pangasinan, with an area of 10,080 square meters, which was issued in their names. Miguel and Erlinda then decided to build a home at the purchased land for them to settle down together with their son, Christopher. In 1979, Miguel and Erlinda was convicted by concubinage upon Carlina's complaint, and 2 years later Miguel died. Carlina and her daughter instituted a case for recovery of ownership and possession of the agricultural land and the house at Binalonan with damages against Erlinda, the petitioner. The lower court dismissed the complaint, but the Court of Appeals reversed the decision. Issue: Whether the agricultural land and the house and lot should be awarded in favor of Erlinda Agapay. No, the Supreme Court held that the agricultural land and house and lot cannot be granted to Erlinda because even though it was purchased during their cohabitation with Miguel, Supreme Court was not persuaded that Erlinda actually contributed to buy the subject land. Hence, the petition is denied.